Hello friends, when you are planning to launch a successful and full-featured e-commerce website, you can easily create one using WordPress and WooCommerce. You just need to select a perfect WordPress theme according to your business need. In this video, we are going to set up a e-commerce website, minimal e-commerce website using Ninico WordPress theme, and it is going to be an amazing choice when you are planning to launch a minimal and advanced featured e-commerce website to start selling online in no time, and that too without any technical knowledge. Yes, with WordPress all it can be done simply, and you just need to follow simple on-screen instructions. So in this video we will review the features, the installation process, and what you can do with the Ninico minimal WooCommerce WordPress theme. And the theme can be bought at themeforest.net just for $39 through the video description link at themeforest.net. Okay, so I'm ready with this core and fresh installation, and it is using the default WordPress theme 2025. And here I'm going to set up the Ninico WordPress theme, and you can also follow the exact and same steps. It is necessary to understand the theme features, the insights before you choose this theme or any other theme. There are hundreds of themes on this channel itself, and Ninico is one of the good WordPress theme, we can say. So however, it has got less number of sales being new, and yes, we can explore its functionalities, how it can be suitable for our upcoming and the target website. And you are always welcome to ask questions here on the live chat through the iCreate program. There is no fee, there is no condition, so you can simply join a mentor regarding WordPress here, and you can get a successful website as well. Okay, to begin, I'll install the theme first of all, and here is the dashboard. I'll go to the theme section, and here I'll add the Ninico WordPress theme first of all. There is nothing technical about this, but yes, you need to follow the same steps. So simply add the theme, and you'll get a theme pack here once you complete the purchase at themeforest.net. And in the purchase you need to spend $39, and you'll get the quality checked by Envato, the future updates for this theme, 6-month support from the theme developer itself, and the theme pure are the original developer of this theme pack, and they are related author at the themeforest.net. In addition to this, you'll get a free support here at the iCreate program once you purchase the theme through the video description link. Okay, right. So to install the theme, we just need to go and upload the theme that you'll get at the theme pack. Just choose the ninico.zip file, which is installable file, or hit on install now. It is very simple step. It will take a while, and depending upon the capacity of your hosting, simply theme is installed. We can go to the theme page just to check the details. Ninico is here. We can activate it, and upon activation we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionalities. So I'll very quickly I'll show you the plugins, and we can discuss about the plugins. So advanced custom field pro for adding customized fields at the website. Elementor is the page builder that has been used with the theme. TP core is the core plugin that has been created by the theme developer itself. This is for navigations, Bitcom Nav XT. Contact Form 7 as well. Fox currency switcher for currency switching, and the Kirky is the framework that has been used with the Elementor, which is a very good technical combination, we can say. One click demo import is of course for importing the demo content. Order tracker for WooCommerce, the name itself saying the purpose. The classic editor is here, and some additional features for WooCommerce, and WooCommerce of course here. So this theme Ninico brings 3 pre-made layouts. You can choose any of these layouts. All has the core minimal but suitable features to launch an e-commerce website. Like just in case if you are choosing this home page, so it has the category filter on the left bar navigation, and you can set the category filter here. Further, we have internal pages like about us and pages, contact us page. We have the language switcher, the currency switcher. We have the mini cart, the personal profile section, and the wish list section. And further, if we talk about a product listing, so we have the compare options, quick view options, and the wish list option. On the product listing, we have all the necessary information along with the variable image of the product, and the checkout options are here. Some features about the product like free shipping and whatever you want to show here. It is good and beautifully managed and arranged to show the requisite information. But there are related products, we can say. So it is a complete website, no doubt, and you'll be fine to launch your website using this theme without any having any additional plugin. You can launch a complete website with the Ninico, right? So let us proceed for further steps. So at this stage, we have to install all the 14 plugins that I shown you. So I have selected all plugins, clicked on install and apply. It will take another few seconds or a minute in installing all the listed plugins, and it is going to be done automatically. You don't need to worry about this. Just in case if your hosting is not allowing to install all the plugins in a single click, you can install the plugins one by one by clicking on the install links available with the plugin names. Alright, so after a while I can see all the plugins has been successfully installed with all activate links. So the latest version of plugins has to be installed, and it is very important thing that you need to use updated and the latest version what had been combined or the configured with the theme. So next we can activate all the installed plugins, and it is going to be happen in a single click again. So yes, all right, so this is just a welcome page for Elementor. We can skip the steps, or you can even choose the things that you need for your website. But yes, Elementor has been installed and we are ready to customize our website with the Elementor, the theme features, and all set of plugins. Okay, coming back to the dashboard, and I'll show you all the plugins. Okay, so some plugins are still inactive, so we can activate these plugins. Activate. Okay, going good. So you can see on the top the success message of activation of the plugin. Cool. So all right, and we have done it successfully, and all the plugins along with the theme had been installed. So I'll take you again on the plugin installing page. Okay, great. So no alert, it means we are fine to move ahead. So we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and all setup plugins. So this is the basic look still. Why it is so? So we have yet not imported the demo content. So as of now, we have successfully installed the theme, all setup plugins, and if you are planning to launch your website with your design, you can start from here at this point of time, and at this stage you'll get all the features coming from the theme and associated plugins. But yes, the demo yet not had been imported. So of course you are willing to have a ready to customize website like any of these demos. So I find all these demo layouts are very useful, to the point, and we can say following the modern trend of e-commerce website. Okay, so at next we can go for importing the demo content, and under the appearance menu we have the import theme demos option. Here we can choose which demo is going to be our next website layout. So I'm choosing the home one. You have all three choices, so I'm simply clicking on import demo, and at this screen simply click on continue and import. So this demo import process may take a while depending upon the internet speed, the connectivity with the developer server, and the number of images what had been provided in the demo. So you have to stay cool without disturbing the process. Don't refresh the page or hit the back button, just in case if you are eager to check what is going behind the this spinner. So you can open the library, media library, in another tab. and you can see if you are getting images here, it means the demo import process is going fine and you don't need to disturb the process. Just wait until you are getting any message, success message, or even maybe the error message. So we should wait and we will proceed accordingly. All right, so hardly in a minute, so I got this import complete message. Your congrats, your demo was imported successfully and you can now begin editing your site. So this is very common message, but it is very important message that I always need to see, and everyone in fact wish to see when installing a WordPress theme. Okay, so I'll refresh this page just to count the media items. How many media items? 98. Okay, great. And this time I'm going to refresh this page again and I can expect a website. Yes, it is here, and I need to set the categories here to show on the left navigation. Rest things are very good, and I got a ready to customize website. Really it is, and with all set of features like a pro e-commerce website. It is actually a pro e-commerce website, not it is not like it is going to be a professional e-commerce website for selling online products, and we can see the things and we can customize the things further. So now I'll show you the backend again, how you can go for customization and all. So I'll try to show you first of all the appearance and the menu that can be helpful in setting up. Okay, so the manage location is here. So we have to select the menu. So header top can be selected as the okay, so the off canvas menu, and the product category menu can be category menu, or the off canvas if it is here, off canvas it is here, and the header top main menu or the top menu can. And after setting up menu, you can edit the items what you want to show in the menu, respective menus. Like if you are choosing the category like of canvas or product category, so you can choose what to show in the product category. Like this is link, and you can make custom links to show in the respective menu links, and you can proceed further. Okay, so now I'll show you the post what has been provided in the demo. So these are 4 or 5 posts, and if we check about the products just for references, because you ultimately you need to upload your own product. So I can see 10 products have been listed here, and you can follow the same procedure, same steps, or the same style to loading the product. Like you can go for the product description, product short description, the regular price, the inventory, whatever you want to update, and of course the product images are here. Next I can show you the rest of settings, like all pages. We have 23 published pages. Of course you can create new pages, add new pages, or use the existing pages for your internal page purpose, or even for home page. Kirki is the customizer, and if you want to change the layout, core layout, so Kirki can be helpful, and you can go for home, edit and all. So it is totally customizable thing, and you can go for the edit with Elementor options and all. So Kirki is linked here with the Elementor, so you can choose what to show on the page. And next I'll show you the WP Clever is for the additional features on the WooCommerce. So you can enable the things what you want to show or use on the website. You can start uploading product under the products section, and for rest of the settings for WooCommerce basic settings, you can go for WooCommerce and its respective settings. And if you are facing any trouble, simply write in the comment section, or it is a good idea to join the iCreate program through this Get Started button, and you can submit your project where a mentor is going to help you all around in launching your website, right? So here are the setup steps for WooCommerce, and you can go one by one. If you need to go for guided settings, however, like you can separately go for settings and all. Appearance is here, advanced custom fields. If you again want to add fields, group fields, or in the post types or the taxonomies, so you can go through advanced custom fields. However, it all has been done by the developer. You don't need to do anything. So the final thing is how you can edit the front end of the website. So just open the page that you want to edit, and you simply click on edit with Elementor, and you'll be able to edit the content using the Elementor page builder. What you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image, same length of text, almost same length of text, so that you may maintain the design integrity. Like here you can add the categories, so you can simply add the categories here, and it is totally configurable what you want to show. Similarly, you can go to the respective section and choose the things that you want to show on the page. It is very simple, pretty simple. So launching a website using WordPress, WooCommerce is pretty simple. You don't even need the help of AI. Just in case if you are keeping in your mind you can create a website using AI. No, it is not true. It 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 is actually difficult to create a website in comparison to WordPress. If you are using AI, it is not going to bring the desired results. Whereas using WordPress, you can launch a successful, well-tested, and ready to launch, ready to index. Mainly, when you are launching your website, it should be available to Google, not for you. So for search engine, for the customers, it should be ready. So you can launch a all tested, all around website using WordPress and its core functionalities. So let us launch and create wonderful things. And in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for you. And meanwhile, you can explore the other videos on the channel. There are many minimal and the WooCommerce theme that you can choose and explore, compare. And in case if you need any support, we are here just a click away. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.